Welcome to the Softly Align Club. I'm so glad you're here. Before we begin, take a moment to get yourself comfortable, whether you're sitting, lying down, or simply taking a quiet pause in your day. Allow yourself these next few minutes just for you. If it feels comfortable, gently close your eyes. Take a slow breath in through your nose and softly breathe out through your mouth. Again, breathing in calm and breathing out any tension you've been carrying. One more time, breathing in peace and breathing out the need to rush. Allow your shoulders to relax. Unclench your jaw. Let your body soften. There is nowhere else you need to be right now. Nothing to fix, nothing to figure out. Just this moment. And when you're ready, let's begin. Imagine yourself standing beside a calm lake. The water is completely still. The sky above is soft and peaceful. As you look down at the surface of the water, you begin to notice your thoughts. Every worry, every what if, every unanswered question. Each thought appears as a small leaf floating on the water. One by one, watch them drift away. You do not need to grab them. You do not need to analyze them. You do not need to solve them. Simply watch them float further and further into the distance. Notice how much lighter you feel with every thought that drifts away. Notice how quiet the lake becomes. And notice how quiet your mind has become too. Now repeat these affirmations in your mind. I release the need to know everything. I release the need to control every outcome. I trust myself to handle whatever comes next. I am safe in this moment. I choose peace over worry. I allow my mind to rest. I allow myself to let go. Imagine a warm golden light surrounding you. A feeling of peace, of calm, a feeling of knowing that everything does not need to be figured out today. Allow yourself to rest here for a few moments, supported, safe, and at peace. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a moment to notice how you feel. Notice the calm you've created. Notice the space you've given yourself. take one final deep breath in and slowly breathe out. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back into the room around you. Start to wiggle your fingers and your toes, and slowly open your eyes when you are ready. Thank you for spending these moments with me today. I hope you carry this feeling of peace with you into the rest of your day, your evening, or wherever life takes you next. And remember, you don't have to have it all figured out. You only need to take the next gentle step. Until next time, stay aligned and be kind to yourself. I'll meet you back here soon.